Soon, ComfyUI natively supported the same universal video model. As mentioned earlier, we can use lower memory to support the generation of 720p resolution. This time's test results were all based on the 720p 14B model, still a test by Potatoes Video. With support for wider and taller dimensions and higher resolution models, we can achieve more detailed results and see an improvement in overall quality. In the previous video, that step was still quite unclear, but now it has become very clear. The hands that were shown yesterday were also depicted, and this character even performed a continuous motion. So the generated video from my image-to-video model consists of 49 frames. With the memory optimization technique that uses extremely low VRAM, the memory consumption is about 4 GB. On a 4090 GPU, generating such a video takes roughly 13 minutes. If your graphics memory is insufficient or you don't have a graphics card, navigate to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 12 GB. Logging in daily will also give you 100 points. A corresponding AI workflow and one-click start AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. A photo of a woman in water came out great. If the original image was available, it would be even better. The power of this model doesn't need much explanation. After comparing it with all video models, it has topped the V-bench and even surpassed many B-level models, such as our typical Sora. These are two new test results I added today. In terms of the outcome, looking at this image on the left, I've tried similar methods on many online platforms before, but I never achieved results like what I have today. This result on the right is my favorite among all the ones I've drawn because the style here incorporates some elements from Ghostblade, which is a style I absolutely love. In addition, the process of cycling here and the dynamic background are both excellent. Including the splashes of water we created, portrayed in such a white brushstroke form, it can perceive something surprisingly unexpected. This image is clearly not realistic, so the model can handle various styles. The better workflow is clearly from the official ComfyUI. If we want to do a native implementation of ComfyUI, what should we do? We need to place the model in the corresponding position, including the text encoder and VAE. The official related models have been synchronized and uploaded as a package. The main focus of these two videos is to test the conversion from image to video. Let's take a look at the tattoo video next. After loading is complete, this is the technical process. It's not particularly difficult to use. As mentioned yesterday, because it has a special text encoder, it supports Chinese. So it's been a long time since I made a kit. For such an amazing video, of course, I should create a kit, add a for loop to frame interpolation, and then include some voiceover. That way we can get a complete clip with audio. So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It has brought down the prices of many popular models like V2, Kelling, and Wan2.1. In some cases, the pricing is even lower than the official public rates. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up over time really adds up.